Y'all, I can't even contain myself. Y'all know I've been looking for that Springfield DS Prodigy 1911, right? We did it, we found it. I'm going in here to pick that up. I ain't even locked the truck. I'm so excited. Where my keys? Oh my goodness. They in my bag. Come on, let's go. Okay, so we're here to pick up that Prodigy. So this is literally going to be a straight from the counter to the range review. I mean, literally just like that. But I'm looking at these Henrys. I've been so interested in these lever actions. My big boy has been, I mean, showing out for me. But, oh, that's, I'm not sure. I know I want a Marlin really, really bad. But, yes. So, I'm just waiting on my turn, number 91. Let's see how it looks. Does it really look like a staccato? Guys, definitely looks like a 1911. There you are. Oh, it's heavy. It's super heavy. Aggressive grip. She feels nice. She doesn't feel too... Oh. No, I think why people keep saying it looks like staccato because of the serrations in the slide. I can definitely tell the difference. They tried. I saw y'all vision, but y'all missed it. Okay, so meet me outside. Fair enough. This one does not come with the hex boot, but it's okay. I got it. I got it. I'm excited. We headed to the range right now. I want to tell you how I feel about it at this very moment, just by looking at it, but I'm not. I'm going to save that anticipation for you guys. But I am excited that I have it. So don't go far. We're headed to the range. And we made it to the range. Let me see what I did. I ran through a puddle. Looks good. It's what Jeeps are for. Nice. I don't know if this is a mosquito. Oh, it's my hair. It's my hair tickling me. All right, so I told y'all this was going to be straight from the counter to the range review. I'm very excited about this because this firearm has been compared to the staccatos, and I need to find out for myself, because y'all know I love staccatos. Does it compare? Now, we can go way left or way right with this. Does it compare is the big question. So this is how it comes. It comes in a box. I wish it came in a hard case or even a bag, but it does come in a bag, but it doesn't have a handle. So you walking around with this little purse style bag is a little bit not for me. But in the box, it comes with your manuals and all this nice little envelope. It does have a sticker, so I'm excited about that. We got a sticker in here and a 20 round magazine. It also comes with a 17 round magazine, but that's in the bag. You got some tools. You have you have your plate for your optic, and you got a lock. Now let's open up this little bad boy right here. Woo! Quick clear check. She's clear. There she is. Now, looks can be very deceiving in pictures, in videos, in all that. I don't know if it's because this one does not have the optic on it. This one does not have the hex, but it's okay. I will add my own to it. But as far as looking at it in prior videos and looking at it online, it really gave me that staccato vibe. But looking at looking at it like this, it really doesn't. It just looks like a regular, I'm gonna say schmegular 1911. But that's, I like 1911s, and that's okay. So this is the Prodigy DS 1911. All right, these mosquitoes are already out here acting up. Now, I did say from the counter straight to the range, so I'm gonna refer back to my handy dandy telefono and get you some accurate specs on here. Okay, I can tell you for sure she's chambered in 9mm, and she has a matte black finish, first of all. The fiber optic front sight, and it has a serrated rear sight. The barrel is a 5-inch barrel. It also comes in 4 1/4. I'm looking for that one as well. That one does look pretty, again in the picture, staccato-ish to me. Now, your slide has the staccato serrations on the slides, which is one thing that drew my attention very, very quickly. Your frame is a forged carbon steel with a black Cerakote on that. It does have a safety ambi on both sides. Your mag release doesn't, I gotta take that off. It's a little sticky, but I'm sure once the magazine is loaded, it'll become a little more heavy, so the mag will drop out a lot faster. We talked about the sights, the grip. It is a polymer grip. The grip is aggressive, but it's a decent aggressive. It's not that really, really dig in your hand, hurt. It's okay. It's good. Magazines, you have 117 round magazine. So this is your 17 single to double stack magazine. It is a metal mag. Springfield Armory on the bottom. And what else? Okay, she weighs 33 ounces unloaded. Nice weight for the size, and your height is 5.5 inches. And that's pretty much it. Hammer fired, you have your safety. Back here, your trigger guard seems to be pretty square, but you do have a decent amount of space to, you know, if you're wearing a glove or something, you can put your finger in that pretty nicely if need be. Slide. Let me get this magazine out. Slide feels very nice. I got to give them that. It's heavier than a staccato slide, but it's smooth. Very smooth. Okay, that's all to it. We are in a safe and controlled environment. We are at the gun range. So our range officer is right beyond the Jeep. With that being said, we're gonna try the magazines. We're gonna load those up, and I'm gonna tell you how I feel about them. So before we do that, let me get my ear protection, and we'll be back. All right, let's see how this magazine feels. Magazines feel very nice. Yes, so they got 1+ here. Nice and smooth. So this is the 17 round magazine, and this is the 20 round. I'll show you in one moment. It rained, so the mosquitoes are a bit disrespectful, but we'll make it through anything. Oh, shoot. Okay, so let me know in the comments, how do you think this is gonna go? Let me know. And that's full. Okay, so these are the two magazines. Get my hearing protection. I'm quite excited, I have to say. Gosh, these things are, oh, there you go. Ready? Let's go. Let's see this first shot impression. Now I can tell you, it does feel nice in the hand. It really does. Safety. No, the safety's not on. Okay, that's the first no. First no. That's one round there that I had to spit out. Okay. That was nice. Definitely not the staccato trigger, but it's all right. Feels very, very nice in the hand. Again? Let's see. Nope, that was it. Not sure what happened. Pressing the trigger. Slide is stuck. Safety is not up. Safety is down. All right. Not sure. There is a round in the chamber. But it's not firing. Okay. Let's fix this issue. Two wasted rounds. Again. Three wasted rounds. Let's get the flush mag, 17 rounds. All right, so for this, we're just gonna drop the slide and see if that makes it any better. I felt the slide did not shoot forward hard enough, so there might not be one. Four wasted rounds. And there goes the rain. Yo. Not happy. All right, what are we shooting? We're actually shooting SIG. Let's put her on safe really quick. You can't because we have a jam. Let me close this up so these rounds don't get wet. Let's see if the rain is gonna pass and we'll come back. Okay, the rain held up some. We're shooting, Elite Performance Ammunition SIG. This is 115 grain. Shouldn't be a problem. Not sure what the issue is. She's clear. Let's get this going before the rain comes back. Okay. Keep my thumb above the safety to make sure I'm not engaging that slide, that safety as I'm Okay, I'm going to bring my grip down just a little lower. I don't like the fact that I have to do that because I'm not really high up in there, but it seems like that could be one of my issues. I don't like the way that I'm having to grip this pistol at all. That was not my fault. My thumb was extremely low. Come on. I am not liking this at all. Damn it. All right, y'all keep count of the rounds that I've been ejecting. I can't even eject it. Come on. Again, this goes back to paying decent amount of money for firearms and they not perform to your expectation is very, very heartbreaking. Again, everything that I saw, it was like, yo, 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 it's the bomb, it's the bomb, it's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. You can't put Prodigy and staccato in the same sentence. I'm sorry. It's just not happening. This is unacceptable. Completely. Especially if you're going to have the confidence to try to compete. All right. That's another one gone. Two rounds. And the safety is down. The safety is... Okay. It could be the ammo. All right? It could be the ammo. But I run this ammo, this Sig Elite, in my staccatos all the time. Not just my staccatos, everything else. And don't have a problem. But we're going to say ammunition. For now. Again, let me try to change my grip up a little bit. Let me hold right here the thickness of my thumb. Instead of having my thumb up here, I'm going to hold the thickness of my thumb and see if that changes or helps anything. See? Again, one round. One round. Hey, can anybody who has one let me shoot yours, because obviously mine's not working. All right, like I tell y'all all the time, I'm not sponsored by anybody, nobody. I paid $1,800 of my own money for this, and I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. So let's try to just run through a magazine. We're not gonna worry about precision or anything like that. See if we can at least get constant shots out at one time. No, you can't. If your life depended on it, you better leave this shit at home. Get that out for me. I'm over it. All right, let's try something different. Let's lock the slide back. Let's try to release the mag with, release the slide with the mag release. Release the slide with the slide release. I'm so upset right now. I'm just mixing everything up. Okay. That did not move forward well at all. At all. And I felt that. One shot. $1,800, and all I'm good for is one shot. And then to clear it is a whole nother situation. How many is that now? Not spent shells, but spent rounds. How many spent rounds have we ejected out? So this would have been a 100-round review, but I got, again, more on the ground than I'm actually shooting. Again, keep my finger far away from that safety. Safety's down. Nice and tight grip. Fuck. Damn it. Thank you. Now, clearly I have to hold the pistol, what I guess they would consider correctly, but it's not a firm grip for me. It's not, I am not holding this pistol firmly in a comfortable position or shoot for me. I don't put my thumb over my other thumb. No. And I understand that all pistols are made differently, and they're, I understand that. But I shouldn't, no. Let's do that again. Okay, that wasn't even the whole magazine. I walked away from the line kind of excited, thinking that it was. Dropped the magazine, realized there was still one in the magazine, and there's one actually stuck. I cannot get it out. Look here. I don't get paid for this shit. This is my own bag. And I'm going to tell you the truth. Honest reviews. No, now I got to go take it back, have them work on it, fix it, whatever it is. Or, you know, at least have my gunsmith take the round that's stuck in the chamber. I can't even engage the safety. I can't decock it, obviously, because there's one lodged in the pistol. This was not a good range day. In the rain and all, I came out here with the mosquitoes, excited, and just blew all of my excitement.
But showing what you really came out here to do a review on. And you detoured because you got a call and said they had one.
Let me show you. Let me show you. This is what happens when you go against the plan. What the plan was. Now, it is another Springfield. This is what I came out here to shoot today. But because I got a call, and I know you guys have been waiting on that Prodigy review, and I just felt like I had to bring that out first, I detoured. And this is what happened. But that's not here nor there. This is why we do this. Before you go out there and spend your money, this is why I bring these things that you asked for first. Now, with all of that being said, make sure you check out www.yokegang.com. Pick up a t-shirt, pick up a gun bag patch. Believe it or not, those purchases and supporting the channel go a long ways. All of that revenue goes right back into these firearms that I bring out here to review for you guys. So it really does help, and I appreciate it all. You guys watching helps, sharing, telling a friend, spreading the word, expanding the movement really helps, and I appreciate it a lot. But with all of that being said, Yoke Gang, this is where it ends. Sorry I gotta let you go. Sorry this didn't work out the way that we planned, but once we, you know what, I'm gonna give them one more chance. I'm gonna get different ammunition. I'm gonna get this cleared, and we are gonna bring this out. It won't be right now because I have some other things that I think you would be interested in. But once that happens, we'll bring it back out, and we'll do a comparison the same time with the staccato.
Don't do that.
Yes, I will. Comparison the same time. I will pick the one that I have that is the closest in specs. That way it's not oh, well, the staccato had this or the staccato had that. Closest in specs and what it is that they tried to do when they brought this out. So with that being said, Yoke Gang, I'm sorry I gotta let you go. Y'all know I love y'all for life. Peace.